Operation Lifesaver car? Really?
The last year.
Oh, really? Wow. Huh, I did not see that.
I didn't know there were several of them, too. I thought there was just one.
Yeah.
But guess what? One time Metro ran a train of just those also.
Oh, cool. POV, when your video's like 5 seconds longer than the your YouTube shorts are like 1 minute long.
Yeah.
Just imagine it's like 1 minute 5 seconds and you're still not able to post it. And you're like, come on. That would be annoying. No crap.